work on Saturday just like normal. I'm quite fine with it actually because I want to go. It's kinda relaxing and fun to do the things I don't have time to do in the weekends. Well, in the middle of the week and doing it on the weekend instead. Yep, I'm going insane. It's official. See you at work. Alright, I just had to make this video just so I could share that intro with you. I bet you loved it as much as I did. Anywho, so it's Saturday, it's my birthday, we're gonna party, or we're gonna be routing like it's my birthday, because we're gonna produce 260 parts, and I think I can get around 100 from each sheet. I'm not gonna stay here. I'm gonna load it up and let it run while I'm away. I did make legs for the packing table that I still haven't put up. How about them chamfers, huh? Quite small though, I wish I would have made bigger ones. So this is just a flat sheet that is riveted to a bent piece on the rear here. No bending marks. Oh my god, that looks so good. And then some adjustable feet. Initially I meant to make these, the flat part the Kimla dark gray and the bent part this bright gray whitish color. I think I just might not even bother and just let them be like this. Also made these because I figured when I was standing here and I was blipping my papers, I had nowhere to put them, so they kept piling up like that. So I quickly draw these up in Fusion. Fusion is so simple, it takes me no time at all to design these. So get into Fusion if you're not into Fusion. It's really good for what it is. The same thing was here. So I have two of those because I kept putting them here. The machine kept blowing them down on the floor. Anyway, so here's the design of that table. Paper holders, same thing. My new friend Rogue CNC asked about a video designing, printing and using the dies and stuff for the press brake. I'm probably gonna forget and I'm too lazy, I think. I might, but I might as well just do a quick video. This tool is for making this shape into 3mm aluminum. Quite a bit of tonnage on these. It did work. How about the very edge of this thing warped up a tiny bit while printing, not when pressing, so I should reprint that, but it still worked. Here's the humps. That's the top part. The bottom part, this is just an adapter for the V die. Let's go like this and I'll show you quickly. So there's a pinhole there, the same thing in the bottom part there. I just put a pin in it so that it won't slide around. This die is Kimla original. It's Amada original, but they don't supply you files, so I had to draw this up based on their drawings. Still works, I mean, no problem really. There is though this page, rollerytools.com. They have a bunch of different dies and tools and stuff, and the great thing about this side is if you go into attachments, there's the DXF of this tool. So 2 seconds to import that into Fusion, extrude it, print it, and you're off. Tip of the day thing, go nuts. I'm gonna get this going, and then I'm gonna go home and celebrate my birthday. Happy weekend. Satisfying sound. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, I'm using these Tapo cameras, and I'm really happy. They were like $60 each. Resolution is good. The app is good. You don't have to buy their cloud storage crap. You put a SIM card in it, Wi-Fi, blah blah blah. So, great. That's a product review for you.